Okay, so today I will upgrade the storefront from LTSR 2203 to the latest version 2402. Um, so I've just opened this to see that we are on 2203 CU4. Everything is working. I also have a session launched. So let's start. First thing, as usual, um, let's take a snapshot of the storefronts. You never know. So before 2402 update. Is it correct? 2402? Yeah. Okay. So this is one of the storefronts, and the second one. Take a snapshot. We do not want to take the RAM, just this. Okay, so basically we are safe. We can start to upgrade based on Citrix upgrading procedure. First thing you have to do is to upgrade your licensing server. I already have the latest version on my licensing server, so I will not need to upgrade that. I just need to upgrade the storefront. Okay, so let's also take the storefront out of load balancing because we have a net scaler and we can do that. Traffic management, service group, our storefront load balancer, service group, and here we have the members. We will start with the first one and disable, close, and done. So storefront one is out of service. We can work on it. I have downloaded, I already downloaded the file. Okay, let's see. Run as administrator. It's taking some time. Okay, it took about a minute or so. Okay, let's install. I hope it upgrades and it doesn't create uh, a new installer. If it does that, then we will need to create a new storefront from zero, which I don't like. Okay, let's see. Oh, I forgot. I forgot until this this finishes. Do not forget to um, back up all your storefront visual configuration. So if you have custom icons, custom text, custom colors, you need to back up everything before before you start. I used, because this is my lab, I used only the default settings, default colors, so I didn't use any additional files and settings, so I do not need to create any backups. I have the snapshot. But if you have a productive environment and you have custom icons or maybe custom display of the storefront, like, I don't know, different sizes for the text or the icons look different, or you have additional information added to the store, then you should back everything up. This is normal as always. This takes around 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Okay, so it finished the install. Let me see what it did. Did it upgrade or install over? No, it upgraded. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, the servers are partially upgraded. That is fine because we have two storefronts and we have a server group created. Okay, this looks good. Let's also test if everything is working. I will reboot the server, even if the installation process did not require it to reboot, but I will reboot and I will switch from one storefront to another on the Netscaler, and we will see how the login works. So this is my current session. I will just sign out. I need to go to the Netscaler and I need to switch between them. So this one is enabled and the other one is disabled. Okay, close, done, refresh one more time. Okay, so the first storefront already powered on. Okay, let's give the storefront a little bit more because it needs some time to properly start. A few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. We can RDP on it, but I will not launch a session until a few minutes pass. Okay, storefront, yes. Yes, thank you for letting us know. Okay, the wallet, credential wallet is not started yet. That needs to be started, so I don't have any issues with my login. Okay, so let's try a session. Refresh, log off, completely log off. Okay, now one more time. Let's use user1, user01. Okay, and let's launch a session. So it kept the favorites, it kept the logo, but as I said, I don't have custom configurations. Okay, so logon process was successful. No issues. We can proceed with the second storefront. I will leave this one like this, and let's do second one. This is storefront 2. Okay, the process is the same. Next. One additional information, I believe I'm mentioning this in all my videos when I'm doing a Citrix upgrade. Always restart the server before you start an upgrade. Even if it's powered on, I don't know, for only a few days, reboot and then start the upgrade process. You never know if you have pending Windows updates and you want to have a clean upgrade. So I recommend you to, like this, when you want to upgrade the storefront, first reboot it, you take it out of service from the NetScaler if you have a NetScaler on, or if you have them load balanced, reboot it, and then try and then start the upgrade process. Okay, we will wait for the second one, for the second storefront to upgrade. And of course, before you start uh, a storefront upgrade, I will go back to the first one. Always sync the configuration if you have two storefronts. So I would think, I mean, to propagate the changes. I don't know why it's saying that they are not reachable. No, it's okay. Propagate changes. And the other one is not reachable because it's in the install process and it has a complete different version. Okay, let's wait for this one to finish too. Okay, second one is finished. Let's see. It now should recognize that both stores are at the same version. Okay. I will restart this storefront 2 and then I will propagate, so I will sync them just to have them synced. Now we need to take the storefront. We need to enable back the storefront. So enable, close, done. It's partially up because it didn't boot up, but we can check it. Storefront to summary. Okay, it's on. Let's check it also here. Close. Still down on the Netscaler. Okay, now it's up. Okay, perfect. We don't have anything to do with the Netscaler, so we can close it. Our session is still fine. Let's sign out. Okay, log off. Complete log off. Let me go back to the first store and refresh. The first store should also be able to see that we have both the same version, but it is a little bit slow. It should be reachable. Okay, let's close the console and open it one more time. It does take a longer time, so in a productive environment, it will take even longer. So for a server to reboot and to completely have everything um, online, it takes about 10 minutes. So do not panic. It does take some time. Okay, perfect. So let's propagate the changes. Yes. And until this finishes, let's do another login. User01. Okay, I have my desktop. Let's launch it. Okay, so no errors during the session launch. This is good. Changes have been propagated, and we have the latest version. Okay, this was it. Thank you for watching.